Let's learn to write in cursive the names of the days of the week. Shall we? Good. What does it begin with? Day of the week. Sunday. Let's write. Look. Sunday. Spell Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Good. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday, first day of the week. Let's write the S capital. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Next, what's the next day of the week? Monday. Spell M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Good. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Let's write the M capital. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Which is the next day of the week? Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Good. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. This is the next day of the week. No, we have to write the capital. Let's write the T capital. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Next we have Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Good. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Let's write the W capital. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Look. Sunday, first day of the week. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday, followed by T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. And finally, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. What day comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Spell T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Let's write T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Let's write the T capital. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. After Thursday comes Friday. Spell F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. F R I D A Y. Friday. Let's write F capital. F R I D A Y. Friday. Next, Saturday. 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 Let's write the S capital. Saturday. Saturday. Look, after Wednesday, Thursday. 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 After Thursday, Friday. 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 After Friday, Saturday. Saturday. Saturday.